Communication Secretary Sunny Coloma says is continuously working to strengthen the industry and services sectors to boost Philippine economic growth. Secretary Coloma bared this strategy and hint of the International Monetary Fund that it may reduce this year's growth forecast for the Philippines due to data that showed a slump in government spending. Coloma underscored the need to bolster the industry and services sectors crucial in achieving a higher gross domestic product. He said a robust economy will allow the country to implement reforms and inclusive growth programs.
Kung ano man po ang reaksyon ng mga external entities katulad ng IMF, ang hamon pa rin sa ating pamahalaan ay pasiglain ang ekonomiya, palakasin ang ating mga industriya at serbisyo para makatamo pa rin tayo ng mataas na GDP growth na papahintulutan tayong mapatupad yung ating mga programa sa reforma at yung programa ng inclusive growth. So kung ano man po ang pananaw nila, ang determinasyon pa rin ay buo na dapat mapalaki yung GDP growth natin at maging inclusive growth yung matatamo natin mula sa growth na yan.